Today I am sharing a very easy crochet stitch. It's made using only single crochet and double crochet. We start with a slip knot and chain stitches 20 or as required by your project. Skip 2 stitches and in the third chain from the hook we will make 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Make 1 double crochet in the last chain to finish this row. To begin the next row, we need to make 1 chain and turn your work. Now in row number 2 we will make 1 single crochet. So just watch carefully how we will make it. So insert your hook in the very first stitch and take it out from the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Now again in the same stitch insert your hook. Insert your hook and take it out from the other stitch and make 1 single crochet. So just repeat this process across. Insert your hook, take it out from the other side and 1 single crochet. So repeat this pattern across. 1 more single crochet in the very last stitch to finish this row. Now to begin the third row we need to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn your work. And now we are going to make 1 double crochet in the very first stitch. So 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Now 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Now chain 1 and turn your work. And again we are going to repeat the single crochet row. Insert your hook and take it out from the other hook and 1 single crochet. Insert your hook in the previous stitch and take it out from the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. So this is a 2 row repeat pattern and it's very easy and beginner friendly. Keep repeating these 2 rows and also remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.